How many of the given letters have perpendicular lines? Now this is quite easy. F has perpendicular lines. A doesn't have, C doesn't have, E has it, B has it. This and this below. See, if B would have been drawn this way, means directly the turn would have been taken from here. The curve would have started from here. Then there would not have been a perpendicular line. But this is drawn in such a way that it is a perpendicular over here. That's why we are saying that it's there. So answer is 3. Remember, this is always tricky. If B is drawn in some other way or any other letter is drawn in some other way, then it won't have a perpendicular line. But in this case, answer is C. Next, let's move on. Which of the following is not drawn in the diagram? See, this is a diagram. This diagram is of complementary angles. Remember, complementary angles means two angles which together form 90 degrees and have a common arm. So which is not there in this diagram? Ray OC. O and C. Ray means what? It has a starting point but it goes infinitely. Means one dot starting point and then it has an arrow infinite time. Segment DB. Segment means what? D and B. It has a starting point and an end point. So it is there. Segment AB. AB. It's not there. And angle AOD. AO and D. It's there. AOD is drawn. So C is the answer. We require which is not